Je ne, I can't even say it right. Je ne parle pas français. That's what it's saying. Right? Je ne parle. Je ne parle. Je ne So we are at the airport. We've been here for like, how long? We've been here since like 1 something. Yes, your flight landed at 2. Yeah. So it's now 4:23 and our flight doesn't leave until 10:30 at night. We're at like JFK right now and then we're flying into Paris first. It is like 8 o'clock. 7:55. Yeah, like 8 o'clock and still haven't flown to Paris yet. We're still in New York. We're finally on the plane. Okay guys, we are here. We are finally at our Airbnb. We are all ready for the day. Yeah, it is literally a shoebox, but you know, we're just making it possible. Yeah, so literally you walk in the door, here it is. There's a bathroom and that's it, that's the tour. Yeah, so we're gonna, look at, you can literally see me in the we're gonna head out for the evening. It is, time is it? It's 4 o'clock and today is Tuesday. And yeah, so we're gonna go adventure around, maybe find something to eat by the Eiffel Tower. Yeah. Just standing in the line in the middle of the road to get a picture from the ark. Okay, so we just ate some dinner. It was so good. It was so yummy. So and now, check out this view. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Just casual, just casual strolls. In day 2 in Paris, then we're going to the Louvre, and then we're going to go to the Eiffel Tower again today. But this time we're going to get like some bread, cheese, and wine. I will show you guys my outfit as we go. Ignore how incredibly messy it is in our place right now, but I'm wearing this wrap top from Sienna, just like a little cutesy like bra underneath it, and then this red skirt from Forever 21, and then I'm gonna put some like layered necklaces and whatnot. Probably not gonna wear the headband with this, but yeah. Jenny, what about you? Where's that from? It's a little 2-piece set. Ooh. It's from Vita Maluna. We're hungry. We're very, very hungry. welcome to your guide of the Louvre. So right now we're outside of it. Inside is all of the art. Can't tell you much about it personally, but we learned a lot today, so that was cool. We saw the Mona Lisa, and it was really pretty. It was cool, but it was
all the artwork
packed.
is so gorgeous.
Yeah, it was really cool. Like, I love museums. And also tip, do a guided tour if you ever come to the Louvre.
Yeah, because I don't know how you find your way around.
Yeah, because 1, you'll get lost. 2, like when you're walking around, you can appreciate the art when you don't know the history behind it.
Yeah.
And so it was nice to like be educated.
And we ate in the Louvre.
Yeah, we
had the best eggs Benedict. It was so good.
Super good. Also, pro tip, when you get water when you're going to restaurants, because you expect it to be free, make sure you tell them tap water or else it's not free. Yeah. Now we're just gonna walk around because I don't know what else we're gonna do.
That's a really cool picture.
There's, what are those called again?
What?
Ferris wheel.
Ferris wheel.
I couldn't think of it. Yeah, so that's Paris. We were in the hunt to find like the infamous row of trees, and I've been wanting to take a picture with them, and we found this. I don't know exactly what this is called, but I've seen it before.
Yeah, I didn't know it was right here.
Yeah, we like literally walked
into it
down this like doorway, and we're like, oh, there's this. Yeah. But I think the trees are right around the corner, so we're gonna go and go by those. Yeah. So here's the trees, and we can't go in because they're doing some kind of like construction thing with this rainbow runway, which I assume is for like Pride Month. Maybe there's like a fashion show that's gonna be here. I don't know. Kind of bummed. We got some ice cream. We're right by the Louvre still. Story time. Last night I fried my phone charger because I didn't use my cable converters the right way. It came flying out of the wall, like it crisp. So I have to buy a new charger. Hello! So we are back at our Airbnb.
Lighting's beautiful.
And it's such good lighting. But yeah, it's like 6 o'clock right now, and we're back at the Airbnb because we were dying. We were literally dying because it's so hot outside, and we were like, what do we do? Yeah. And as you guys saw in the Apple store, I got a new charger. Let me just show you.
I was in the bathroom and she's like, it blew up. I'm like, what blew up? I'm like, that's not good. It's not gonna focus. Very small area, so nothing can blow
this
up.
thing literally, you can see that it's just like black, and then this, it looks like someone put like a lighter to it and just like burnt it. Like it literally, this part, not like this part, but the cord flew out of the wall and like landed on me, and I was like, what? So that's that. And then later tonight we're gonna go back to the Eiffel Tower and like get a bottle of wine, some bread and cheese, and just hang.
Yeah. It's nice here. The subway system got
it down.
Easier.
We got it down.
The metro system got way easier.
The metro, we got it down now.
We've been paying way more for the metro than we needed to.
We screwed up. We were buying tickets for the metro for cities outside of Paris, so they were $5 each.
We were like, this lady was standing by us, and we couldn't figure out like why the metro stops that we were trying to get to like weren't on the list. And she was like, do you like ladies need like help? And like we were like, yeah, and she's like, no, like you need to like just push this, and you only buy like the one ticket. It's like a standard price, and we're like, what? So now it's cheaper, which is good, but yeah.
So, thank you to that woman. Very nice. Yes. Crack open that bottle.
Okay.
All right. It's been a nice evening. Jenny cracked open the bottle.
Taste test.
Test out the cheap wine that we got.
Tastes like pina Moscato.
Yeah? Here.
What you think? Not bad. Yeah, doesn't it taste like
I was expecting worse for €6.
Right?
It's not bad. So after just hanging out at the Airbnb for a while, then we went grocery shopping, and we finally figured out the metro system, as I mentioned before. So we did not have to kill our feet walking over here. Yeah, and now we're just Getting started. As you saw, we opened the wine. Now we're trying to get the cheese and hummus and fruit open. And we're just gonna have a nice little romantic dinner. Ooh, look at that highlight. I don't know if it's still my highlight or my greasy face. Who knows? Patiently waiting for this thing to light up and get glittery. The wine is low.
Everything's low.
Everything's low. This is the last of our baguette. We got plenty of cheese though. Yep.
I'm tired.
We're getting tired. It's 10:40. It's almost 11 o'clock and the sun still isn't all the way down. Like look at this lighting. Look at it. It is 11 o'clock. It is almost 11 o'clock at night and look at this lighting. It's incredible.
It's wild. That's what it is. What time would you go to bed here?
I just want the tower to sparkle.
It feels like 7 o'clock.
Yeah, it feels like 7. Finally. We at the Palace of Versailles, waiting in this line. We have almost made it to the entrance. We've been standing in this
I'm literally wearing
line.
nothing. How is it?
Yeah, Jenny's like bare to the bones. I stole her flannel.
Coats.
Yeah, it's pretty chilly outside. It's really cloudy. The sun's trying to come out, and I hope it does. So then our photos look good. I need to get backgrounds. It's so cute. I get macaroni. This is so pretty. I got my macarons, girl. And it's finally getting nice outside because it was really chilly, but now it's like perfect.
Yeah.
I'm comfy. I'm comfy now. But yeah, there's so many photo ops. Like, look at this floor. I'm dying. I'm dying. Yeah. This is so freaking pretty. So absolutely shook. Like, even like some of it's under construction, and it's still pretty. Oh, and like just all this open land. It's amazing. So we are back at our Airbnb. We took like an hour nap. Felt amazing. And so now we are going back out into the world. We're gonna find a creperie because we've been really wanting to get a crepe, like a good like Nutella crepe with like strawberries. I have been singing the same part of like the infamous T-Pain song, like I wanna put you in a mansion somewhere in Wisconsin. And this is the moment I'm just gonna play it, and I don't know why, but I decided to vlog it. Somewhere in Aspen, put you in the mansion. Somewhere. That's all I needed. That's all I needed today.
Have a good night.
I've been saying that all day. Okay, it's time to roll out. Focused. I don't know if it's focused.
Can't even see.
I don't think it's focused. So, we're actually here for our last night. Had a perfect time. It's the first day of summer in Paris, and they have like this big music festival going on all throughout the city.
My camera still isn't in focus. But it's just really cool. They have music everywhere, going from the inner city of Paris into the suburbs, and it's cool.
How you doing? Whee, crepes. Ready, let's cheers. Ready, go.
Okay, so that is the end of this vlog. It's pretty long, one of like the longest videos on my channel, but you know, you gotta just fit in everything. Right now we're on our terrace in Amsterdam. It's our first morning. We're having a little morning coffee out on the terrace. It's a lot colder than Paris. All the details and everything will be on Jenny's blog. She's gonna make a blog post for like each city we go to with like the fine details. Alright, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. And I will see you guys in my next video on Thursday, because I'm uploading Monday and Thursday. Bye.